Have you ever wondered why DeepSeek used NVIDIA's H800 GPUs for training its AI models? In this video, we will break it down in simple terms. Let's get started. DeepSeek's V3 model was trained using a massive setup, 256 server nodes, each powered by 8 NVIDIA H800 GPUs. That's a total of 2048 GPUs working together to process incredible amounts of data. And here is where it gets even more mind-blowing. The entire training process consumed approximately 2.788 million GPU hours on the H800S, with an estimated cost of around $5.576 million. With this scale of computing power, DeepSeek has pushed the boundaries of AI training, proving that innovation never stops. NVIDIA H800 is a high-performance GPU built for AI training and data centers. It's a modified version of the NVIDIA H100 but with some key differences. Key features of H800 are: Number 1 is 80 GB of superfast HBM3 memory, perfect for handling large AI models. Number 2, advanced tensor cores designed for deep learning and machine learning. Number 3, optimized power efficiency, delivers high performance without overheating. Now, here is the interesting part. DeepSeek did not just choose H800. They had no other option. Due to US trade restrictions, NVIDIA's most powerful AI chip, the H100, cannot be sold in China. So, NVIDIA created the H800, a slightly limited version, but still powerful enough for AI training. H100 versus H800. What's the difference? H100 has higher bandwidth for faster data transfer. H800 has lower bandwidth to comply with US export laws. But DeepSeek optimized its software to make H800 work just as well. Absolutely. Even with restrictions, DeepSeek trained its AI models efficiently on H800 GPUs. This proves that great software optimization can overcome hardware limitations. And who knows? Maybe DeepSeek will create an even smarter AI model soon. That's all for today's video. If you found this interesting, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.